Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Motorola Moto E13 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. So firstly, you need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. In our case, for example, if you are not using Wi-Fi right now but using mobile data, disable Wi-Fi. If not using mobile data but using Wi-Fi, disable data. If you are not using Bluetooth, disable Bluetooth. The same situation with nearby share and location services. To disable location services, click on the pencil button, find location here, drag and drop on the upper part, find here location services, and disable it. Great. Okay. So now, as you can see, we have disabled all unnecessary features, and what we can do, we can make our device dimmer, our screen dimmer, reduce our screen brightness, and of course we can enable battery saving mode. So open settings, open battery, find here battery saver, and enable battery saver mode. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.